Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is soil part 3. So let's talk about it. Soil is the mixture of organic matter, mineral, gases, liquid and organism that together support life. Earth's body of soil called the pedosphere has four important functions as the medium of plants growth, as the means of water storage, supply and purification, as modifier of Earth's atmosphere. Soil is the loose surface material that covers most land. It consists of inorganic particles and organic matters. Soil provides the structural support to plants used in agriculture, and it is also their source of water and nutrients. Soil is vary greatly in chemical and physical properties. Soil type. As you know, weathering of rocks produce small particles of various material. These include sand and clay. The relative amount of the sand and clay depend upon the rock from which particles are formed. That is the parent rock. The mixture of the rock particles and humus is called the soil. Living organisms such as bacteria, plants, root and earthworm are also important parts of any soil. Sandy soil are those that are the generally coarse texture until 50 cm depth and the consequently retain few nutrients and have a low water holding capacity. Soil management practice which lead to an increase in the fine fraction are helpful in improving soil properties and crops productivity. If the proportion of the fine particle is relatively higher, then it is called clay soil. It is the amount of large and fine particles is about same. Then the soil is called loamy. Thus the soil can be classified as sandy, clay and loamy. The size of the particle in soil has the influence on properties. Sand particles are quite large. They cannot be fit close together, so there are large spaces between them. These spaces are filled with air. We say that sand is well aerated. Water can drain quickly through the space between the sand particles. So sandy soil tend to be light when the aerated and rather dry. Clay particles being much smaller, packed tightly together, leaving space for air. The best topsoil for growing plants is loam. Loamy soil is mixture of sand, clay and another type of soil particles known as silt. Silt occur as the deposit in river beds. The size of the silt particles is between those of sand and clay. The loamy soil also has humus in it. It has right water holding capacity for the growth of plant. So let's talk about facts about soil. Number 1. Topsoil is the most productive soil. Natural process can take more than 500 years to form 2 centimeter of topsoil. Number 2. Climate, vegetation, age of rock, relief and parents. Rock affect soil formation. Number 3. According to the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, Indian soil type of range are alluvial soil and black soil, red soil, laterite soil to desert soil, mountain soil, saline and alkaline soil, peaty and marshy soil. So kids, tell me, what is sandy soil? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the soil part 3. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.